Hello, my name is Carl, and welcome to this short video on the Ford Certified Pre-Owned program. So what's the big deal, you may ask? Well, it's a really big deal, and a good deal for you. Here at Ford, a pre-owned car is as special as a brand new car. After all, it's brand new to you. So why shouldn't you get the same peace of mind that you get when you purchase a brand new Ford? So the question really is, how can we back that statement up? And that's what the Ford Certified Pre-Owned program is all about. Basically, it's our way of making sure that that pre-owned Ford you're looking at gets the full thumbs up. Okay, let's take a look at the program. You'll see what I mean. There are a lot of things that happen before you even see the car you're looking at, like a complete 172-point inspection by our factory-trained technicians. We'll also make sure there's fresh oil and a new filter put in there, and new wiper blades, and even a full tank of gas. Now, when it comes to the stock market, it may not always be true that the past affects the future. But when it comes to a pre-owned certified car, the CarProof report is extremely important, because knowing a car's past can be all about its future. That's why we partner with CarProof, Canada's most trusted vehicle history report. We'll make sure you see that report and know that the car is clean. Knowing that your Ford Certified Pre-Owned vehicle is ready to go is just one part of the equation. The second part is keeping it on the road. That's why we include a 12-month, 20,000-kilometer comprehensive limited warranty covering over 1,000 items. We'll also include 24-hour roadside assistance, and should something happen, we'll also provide you with a rental car reimbursement. Okay, it's all good, and you're heading down the highway in your brand new certified pre-owned Ford? What could be better than good tunes and good conversation with Sirius XM? So we'll also include a complimentary 3-month subscription, absolutely free. And this is great. Should you, for whatever reason, decide to sell your certified pre-owned Ford to someone else, they get the program. That's right, it's transferable. And best of all, you just don't have to take our word for it. We've also partnered with the Canadian Black Book Best Pick, a certified program for pre-owned vehicles. This is your assurance that the vehicle you're looking at has been inspected by our factory-trained technicians, it's been reconditioned to exacting specifications, and is backed by a comprehensive vehicle protection package. This provides you with the ultimate peace of mind and confidence when you make your Ford pre-owned car purchase. So, to sum it all up quite simply, the Ford Certified Pre-Owned program helps everyone sleep at night. Thanks for watching.